Want to create beautiful, interactive charts without spending hours coding? With CanvasJS, you can turn raw numbers into engaging visuals in just a few minutes. It's lightweight, beginner-friendly, and works on all modern browsers. Let's dive in and build your first chart together. The first step is to include the CanvasJS library in your HTML file. Think of this as plugging in a toolbox that has everything you need to build charts. You can either download the library and keep it in your project folder, or simply use a CDN link. Most beginners prefer the CDN. It's quicker, easier, and always connects you to the latest version. Next, we need a space in our web page where the chart will appear. To do this, we add element inside the body of our HTML. This works like a placeholder box. By giving it an ID, for example chart container, we can later tell CanvasJS exactly where to draw the chart. Now comes the fun part, writing a little JavaScript to define your chart. Here's where you decide what type of chart you want, like a column, bar, or pie chart, and provide the data it should display. Each data point usually has a label and a value. For example, you could show fruit sales with apple, orange, and banana as labels, and their sales numbers as values. CanvasJS then turns those values into bars or slices automatically. Once your data and options are ready, you create the chart object using the CanvasJS chart constructor and link it to the container we made earlier. The last step is to call the render method, which tells CanvasJS to actually draw the chart. Without render, it's just code sitting idle. Render brings it to life on the screen. But why stop there? With CanvasJS, you can customize almost everything, from chart titles, axis labels, and colors to animations and tooltips. Want a bigger chart? Just adjust the height and width. Want smoother bars? Enable animation. It's all about making your chart fit your style and purpose. CanvasJS isn't limited to column charts. It supports more than 30 different types for every data visualization need. Line charts for trends, pie and donut charts for proportions, area charts for distribution, scatter plots for correlation, candlestick and OHLC for stock data, bubble and spline charts for complex data, funnel and pyramid charts for process visualization, combination charts for mixed data views. Switching chart types is as easy as one line of code. And that's just the beginning. With CanvasJS, you can add interactive features like zooming, panning, exporting to images, and real-time data updates. It also supports features like tooltip, drill downs, dynamic chart resizing, and much more. Whether you're building simple dashboards or advanced analytics, the possibilities are endless. Now that you know the basics, go ahead and explore the full potential of what you can create with CanvasJS. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more tips on CanvasJS and web development. See you in the next one.